In this chapter, we will cover the layout tools within Android Studio. In this first section, we will cover how to create an activity. In the Android view, I want to select Java, expand that out to where I see the package names. In this package, I have my main activity, and my next activity I want created in the same namespace. So I will highlight this package, right-click on it. Up at the top, we have a new menu, and if we go to the right, it asks what new thing do I want to create. In this case, I want a new Android activity. I can create a TV activity, a blank activity, an activity with a fragment, or other predefined activities. I'm going to go with just a blank activity, again, just like our main activity. And now I'm prompted with this dialog box. This is basically how everything gets named. My activity is just going to be a test activity, and I think I'm going to use this activity for basic string manipulations. So let's rename it. Instead of main activity to activity, how about something like string changer activity? You'll see that the layout name below this was modified automatically based off of the activity name that I gave it. Everything's underscore and lowercase. Below that, the default title has changed to the name of the activity. I'll name it My String Changer. You'll notice the menu resource is just like the layout name. It was prefaced with what type of resource it is, a menu, with a parsed out version of the activity itself, menu underscore string underscore changer. I have the option to make this a launcher activity. I don't want this to be the launcher activity. I want my main activity to be the launcher. Below that, I have a hierarchical parent that I can select. I'm going to choose my main activity, as that's going to be the root activity for what I'm building. Below this, you'll see that there's a package name, and I purposely created the activity in this name because I want that package name. I could modify this, but I don't want to. The next thing I'll do is select Finish. At this point, if we select Design View and increase the size, you can see an activity that we just created. You can see that the text of this activity is pretty sparse. I don't want this to say hello world here. I can change that later. But at this point, we have created a new activity to go within our application. You can see the widgets here. You can see the tree of components here. It's just a relative layout with a text view that already says hello world.